skyrocket your social media presence? Follow these 8 easy steps. First up, set your social media goals. Are you looking to boost brand awareness, drive traffic, or increase engagement? Knowing your objectives makes everything else smoother. Next, conduct a social media audit. Review what's working and what's not. Check which platforms are driving results and where you might need improvement. Step 3. Identify your target audience. Understand who they are, what they want, and where they hang out online. This will help tailor your content to their needs. Now choose the right platforms. Not every platform is suitable for every business. Focus on where your audience spends their time. Next, develop a content strategy. Plan your posts, stories, and updates in advance. Consistency is key. Mix up your content with videos, photos, and stories to keep it fresh. Step 6. Monitor your results. Use analytics tools to track your performance. What's getting the most likes, shares, and comments? Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Moving on, make it a habit to report regularly. Create monthly or quarterly reports to measure your progress. This helps you stay focused and accountable. Finally, connect with your community. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Show them you care and build genuine relationships. There you have it. 8 simple steps to master your social media strategy. Start implementing these today and watch your social media presence soar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.